I'm going to show you how to set up a ZeroTier VPN in Home Assistant, so you'll be able to access it securely from any device running Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS or Android. With ZeroTier, you don't need static IP or dynamic DNSs, and you don't have to go through complicated certificate creation process. On top, that whole setup will cost you nothing. But what actually is ZeroTier? It is a company and they have a flagship product called ZeroTier One. So, when I'm saying ZeroTier, I'm actually referring to the ZeroTier One product. Clearing this out, you may now wonder, what is ZeroTier One? ZeroTier One is an open source application that can be used to create secure and manageable networks, where connected devices are treated like they're in the same physical location and local network. ZeroTier provides a web-based console for network and clients management. Unlike traditional VPN solutions, communication don't need to pass through a central server or router. Messages are sent directly from host to host, and the result is very efficient and with minimal latency. And here comes the Home Assistant in the whole picture. Thanks to Frank, we have a ZeroTier One Home Assistant community add-on. Using this add-on, you can add your Home Assistant instance to the ZeroTier network and then to access it from anywhere in the world using virtually any modern device without any port forwards, payments, certificates, and so on. And because one demo means 1000 pictures, and one picture means 1000 words, try to calculate how much words in total will be in the following demo. First, you need to set up a ZeroTier account. Go to my.zerotier.com and make an account. You can use an existing Google, GitHub, or Microsoft account to log in, or you can create a totally new one. After you logged in ZeroTier one way or another, go to Networks tab and create a new virtual network by just clicking on Create a Network button. A new network will be created instantly. This ZeroTier network will have unique ID and a name. The network ID is one of the most important part of your ZeroTier network. Try to share your ZeroTier network ID only with people you trust. Make sure that under Access Control section, the private network is set. This ensures that only approved machines can connect to your network, and not just anyone who happens to know your network ID. More on that later, because now I'm going to change the ZeroTier network name and subnet. Under the advanced section, I'll choose a subnet that will be different with my existing local subnet. I will leave all other settings without any changes, and I'll add some clients. For example, my Home Assistant using the ZeroTier add-on, and my phone using the ZeroTier mobile app. I'll start with the Home Assistant. I'll open my Home Assistant and I'll go to Configuration, Add-ons, Backups and Supervisor. The installation of this add-on is pretty straightforward and not different in comparison to installing any other Home Assistant add-on. Search for the ZeroTier One add-on in the Supervisor add-on store and install it. Then I'll install and I'll search for ZeroTier One. I'll click on it and I'll hit install. While I'm waiting, I'll go to documentation. This is how I should add my ZeroTier network in the configuration when the installation is ready. I'll just refresh this. Yes, it is installed already. I'll go to configuration. I'll return back to my ZeroTier web interface and I'll copy my network ID. Then I'll remove these brackets and I'll paste the ZeroTier network ID here. I'll click Save. I'll go back to my Info tab and I'll start this ZeroTier add-on. Under the lock tab, I can click refresh to check if everything is green. And yes, it is. I think I'm ready with the installation here. This is where all the beauty and simplicity of ZeroTier can be seen. To confirm adding Home Assistant instance in my ZeroTier network, I just have to approve this client from the ZeroTier web interface. I'll go back now to the ZeroTier web interface and I'll scroll down a bit until I see this section. And I can approve or disapprove this client and I can name it somehow, however I wish. So I'll just tick this and I can add a name. I already have an IP and I'm ready. My Home Assistant is already in the ZeroTier network and every other client added in the ZeroTier network will have access to my Home Assistant. Now I'm going to add my phone in the ZeroTier network. Of course, I can also add any other device that I wish, but I think one more device just for the demo will be enough. I'll open the App Store and I'll search for ZeroTier. I'll get the app. I will open it. I'll accept the terms and conditions. Then I'll click on the plus button in the upper right corner. I'll accept the terms again. And now I have to enter my network ID. I'll also enable the default route and I'll click Add Network. ZeroTier One would like to add VPN configurations. Allow. Now I just have to enable this switch. And I have to scroll down a bit and here it is. This is my new client. I can approve it by clicking here and I can name it. Like that. It is time for a demo, where I will access my Home Assistant dashboard from my phone with Wi-Fi disabled. To test that everything is working correctly, I'll disable my Wi-Fi. So I'm going to use 4G and I'll open a Safari and I'll enter my Home Assistant ZeroTier IP address, which is 172.23.155.40 and the default port for Home Assistant, and I'll hit go. And I'm seeing my Home Assistant login page using only mobile data. That means I can be on the other side of the world and I can still access my Home Assistant. How cool is that? I want to ask you something. Are you using any kind of VPN and which one exactly? Let me know in the comment section below and I promise to ask you more questions. Just key in here, I promise to respond you back as I read all of my comments, and actually I reply to them. To summarize, you learn how to use ZeroTier as a software-defined network provider, as well as how to configure and attach clients to that network. And now, do not wonder what to watch next, and just click on my remote access playlist, where I'm discussing other VPNs and Home Assistant remote access. Don't forget to subscribe with the notification bell and to like this video if you really do. Follow me on Twitter, join my Discord server, and remember, home smart but not hard. I'm Kirill and I'm done speaking. Bye!